Dear friends, gather round as we say farewell to a fool. He brought mirth, tears, romance, and joy to all he knew. He rose and fell with the surge and the swell of his heart, breaking nightly upon the boat and burst weeping with laughter at the absurdity of his rouge misfortune. He gave his all at equitable rates. We gave him applause. The burning stage was his home, while we sat warm on balcony and paid good penny to see him pull out his entrails to paint magic tales of a common history, a disciple of his craft as dedicated as fallen Mary. He gave up the path to an easy mortgage and Mercedes, believing that his sacrifice would redeem humanity. And thus, though he cast himself, philosopher, writer, actor, medium, muse upon his deathbed he cursed. He had lived as a fool for all the lofty pleasures. I will die for you have died for me. Of divers friendships perished when the plague spread. The world looked on as the stage lights dimmed, the timbers rotted, health and cracked, opened his day's head. He has left to last request. Please dissuade any young hopeful from repeating his folly, turn them instead to merchant banking or whatever else has true currency. His second related to the first, if by chance the stage is restored. Dear friends, understand the contract, understand the true terms. My art was no escape, no saint's base, but a call to arms to take urgent action and set alight our troubled world. And paid good penny to see him pull out his entrails to paint magic tales of our common history, a disciple of his